Oh, hi! It's Tuesday night, guys, and do you know what that means? It means I gotta film a recipe for tomorrow. So this can go, so you can watch this and maybe make it. I hope you will. It's for creamy one-pot mac and cheese. Now this mac and cheese is my new favorite thing to do in a hurry. It's one pot and it tastes like expensive white cheddar, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's very good.
It's like white cheddar mac, like the Annie's mac and cheese shells. Alright, so we eat massive quantities of food here. So I'm making 2 pounds. I'm using this beautiful Italian pasta because this is the only thing my stomach will not reject in terms of pasta. So we're using orecchiette because I like the shape, it's fun. And in case you didn't know, orecchiette means ear in Italian. Little ear. And it kind of does look like a little ear, doesn't it? I used to think it looked like something else. But I was wrong. Alright, we won't speak of it. We're also having some broccolini. Fun. I'm going to be making that in the microwave. That's not part of the one pot collection. But the secret ingredient, well, first of all, let me turn on the water so that can be boiling while we're talking. The secret ingredient is my homemade tofu yogurt. I've only made this with my homemade tofu yogurt. However, I'm thinking it'll probably work with any vegan yogurt that is plain and not flavored like vanilla. So this is basically a vegan sour cream, right? I gotta make some more of this tonight because it is super good. I had this morning mixed with a scoop of protein powder and it straight up tasted like chocolate cheesecake. It was unbelievable. I didn't want it to end. So let's boil our macaroni because we're going to be using this as the one pot. Like the one ring. This is the one pot, the caraway pot. So let's get our macaroni boiled in there and drained, and then that's when all the action is going to happen. So we'll check back once we've cooked our macaroni according to the package directions. Yeah, it's cooked. So now is the easy part. The hardest part was cooking the noodles. So, same pot, still warm. I just drained the pasta. So I'm going to start off with a half cup of oat milk that I made from powdered oat milk because my pistachio milk went bad.
Yuck.
This is optional. I mean, it depends on how creamy you want it, or if you like it dryish. I like it a little creamy.
Creamy.
Yeah, creamier the better. Oh, my miyoko's been sitting out for too long. Alright, so this is 2 pounds of pasta, so don't get freaking upset. It's 2 tablespoons of vegan butter. Right? Then we're going to stir in some potato starch.
What was that?
It's potato starch. There was a lot of good squads, but it was a tough choice. If you don't have potato starch, you can use tapioca flour. So this is half a tablespoon, a whole tablespoon. I'm going to do 1.5 tablespoons.
Oops.
Yeah, dog's in the way, sorry. I'm just going to stir that in so we don't get any lumps. Yes, some of the noodles were still stuck on the pan. That's quite okay because they're going in here again. Alright, this has got to taste like something, so we got to add flavor. So this is Vegeta seasoning. And I'm not going to dirty another spoon, so I'm doing, this is like a tablespoon. We're also looking for some more cheesy flavor. So we're using Nooch. Every vegan and vegetarian's best friend. The day that you sign up to be vegan or vegetarian, they provide you with a sack of golden Nooch. if you believe that. There's a bridge in Brooklyn I'd like to sell you. Did I just date myself? My dad used to say that all the time. But he was from Brooklyn, so. Alright, so here it is. The Golden Goose. This is my own homemade soy yogurt made with tofu. Like 3 ingredients. It's amazing. We're going to plop it in there. Don't splash it. Oh, look at how beautiful that is. It's like cheese, basically. So we're going to mix this up. Look at how beautiful this is already.
All right.
So nice. And this comes together so quickly. We're just going to put this on low. And if you bring it up to the bubble, so it starts bubbling, it's going to activate the potato starch. So it's going to thicken up just a little bit. And that's when we add our noodles back in. And then give it a very thorough stir. And we're ready to eat. Can you believe it?
No.
Can you? You can't, right? It's...
My heart.
It's just as easy as opening up a box of mac and cheese and making it. But it's so much better. This tastes like the when you get the Velveeta packet and it's like ooey gooey. This is exactly what this tastes like, but it doesn't make your stomach sick afterwards. You know what I mean? Because it's too oily. Yeah. My husband's closing his eyes because he doesn't want to listen to me talk anymore.
No, it's 'cause I'm tired. Sleeping standing up.
Oh. Alright, wait. I shouldn't put that in yet. I want to show you what I mean when it bubbles. I should have my whisk out here, but
You don't.
I don't. I think it fell behind the drawer. So I have to go digging that out. And I do have a lot of whisks, but I'm talking a vinyl coated whisk so that it doesn't scratch my caraway. Which I got at TJ Maxx, by the way. I didn't pay full price for this. I never do. Never did, never will. Let's see. See what we got. Show them what you got. 2 hours later. Still no... Oh, there you go. See it? It's right there.
I believe you.
It's
All right,
like,
put him in.
All right, get him in. Get him in, boys.
Oh, he almost tripped me.
Oh. Because he's waiting for noodles.
Yeah.
Good thing Kristen left her bowl here from the potato salad for Mother's Day.
Right.
This is a nice bowl. I might have to get some of those. I like that with the handle on it. Alright, we'll give this a really thorough stir. Look at that. You can see it already. It's glistening like a glazed donut. Like new fallen snow. Alright, we're going to turn that off and we're going to continue to stir it until it's completely coated. And then we're eating! Oh! Alright, we're ready to eat. And look at how golden delicious that looks.
Okay.
Oh, so beautiful. And so fast. I love it when it's fast. Quick and dirty, that's what I like. Make sure you take your broccoli.
Uh-huh.
It's super hot. Is it good? Yeah. Would you know that that only took a few minutes?
No. I would think you were slaving all day.
All day? Yeah, well I wasn't. I was not.
Deliver this to Sean.
Yes. Guys, I love broccolini. If you don't like broccoli, like you think it's too strong tasting, try the broccolini. It tastes a lot less farty.
Good.
Don't you think?
I don't know. What's the difference?
This is like the outer stalks of the broccoli.
Oh.
It's baby broccoli.
Really?
So it doesn't make a whole head, it just makes the little stalks.
Okay.
It's like the satellite broccoli. Yeah.
Let's try it.
I just put way too much broccoli in my mouth. Now I'm choking.
Uh-oh.
I'm okay now.
Guess what?
Oh, I gotta recharge it.
Yeah.
The spaceship has run out of gas.
Yeah.
Alright, I'll recharge it. It just takes a USB-C.
I know.
Alright, why don't you have some of this? This is what we had on the grilled vegetables the other day. I have to pick up another one of those because I really like it. And Maddie's also getting one of those because the seasoning in there is just perfect. It's the perfect balance of salt, pepper, and garlic.
Okay.
Alright. Enjoy, sir.
I'm going to.
Let me know if you make the recipe. I want to know. I hope you try it. I really do because we really do enjoy it at least once a week. Especially on a Saturday night after we come home from shopping and nobody feels like cooking anything. And takeout is just not an option in this house because I can't eat any of that food. It makes me sick, all of it. So I always have to eat at home for the most part. Very rare exception, eating out. So thanks for watching. We'll be back next Wednesday with another recipe. Hopefully a little bit more organized than this one or not. And until then, much love.